Welcome to AI Beat, your go-to source for the latest breakthroughs and trends shaping the future of artificial intelligence. If you find this podcast valuable, be sure to subscribe to the Daily Flash Trends newsletter for daily insights that keep you ahead of the curve. On the legal front, LexisNexis has unveiled the next generation of its protege General AI. This advanced legal analytics tool integrates vast legal content into a unified workflow, empowering lawyers with faster research and decision-making. AI is making legal work more efficient and data-driven than ever before. Finally, environmental engineering benefits from AI as well. PLOS-1 published models that use machine learning to predict wave overtopping in coastal areas. These tools improve infrastructure resilience and risk assessment, helping communities better prepare for climate-related challenges. What ties these stories together is clear. AI is transforming industries by making processes smarter, faster, and more precise. From healthcare to energy, security to legal, the pace of innovation is accelerating. Staying informed about these trends isn't just about tech. It's about understanding how AI shapes the future of business, society, and our everyday lives. Thanks for joining today's exploration of AI breakthroughs. Remember, the future belongs to those who stay curious and keep learning. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe to the Daily Flash Trends newsletter and stay ahead of what's next. I'm glad you're here. See you next time. Now let's dive into some of the most exciting developments from the past week that are redefining what's possible across industries. First, imagine a new era in healthcare where predictive precision takes a leap forward. Researchers at the American Association for Cancer Research have developed a multimodal AI model that outperforms traditional tests like Oncotype DX in predicting breast cancer recurrence. By integrating different types of data, clinical, genetic, imaging, this AI can better stratify patients by their risk. This means more personalized treatment plans and potentially better outcomes for patients. It's a clear example of how combining diverse data sources with advanced AI can transform prognosis and patient care. Meanwhile, in biotech and pharmaceuticals, AI continues to accelerate innovation. CNN highlights cutting-edge diffusion model-based AI methods that are revolutionizing enzyme design. These techniques enable scientists to engineer enzymes more precisely and efficiently, speeding up drug discovery and industrial applications. Faster enzyme development means quicker responses to health crises and new opportunities for sustainable manufacturing. Cybersecurity, however, faces a new challenge. A recent report from Netflix reveals that over one-third of organizations are now rethinking their security strategies in response to AI-driven cyber attacks. These attacks are more sophisticated, often targeting data and identity systems. The message here is clear: defenses must evolve. Organizations are adopting new privacy measures and AI-aware security protocols to stay ahead of threats that themselves leverage AI for malicious purposes. Data privacy in AI applications is also under scrutiny. BlackFog has published comprehensive guidance on how generative AI tools handle user data, covering privacy, retention, and enterprise risks. As organizations deploy AI to generate content and insights, understanding how data is managed becomes critical for compliance and trust. Protecting user information isn't just a regulatory hurdle, it's foundational to responsible AI use. In the clinical realm, eClinical Solutions has launched Illuminate AI agents to automate data workflows within their cloud platform. This automation promises to speed up clinical trials, improve data quality, and reduce costs. Faster, more accurate data management is reshaping how new therapies are tested and brought to market, benefiting both patients and providers. In energy markets, Enverus has introduced an AI-powered analytics platform that leverages generative AI to handle complex workflows. This platform accelerates decision-making for energy traders and analysts, providing faster insights into market dynamics. The energy sector is increasingly relying on AI to optimize operations and stay competitive amid volatile conditions. Research in pharmaceuticals also benefits from machine learning. Scientific reports recently published a study showing how pressure and temperature influence drug formulation, using ML models to predict solubility factors. This helps chemists optimize drug design with greater precision, reducing trial and error and speeding up development timelines. Collaboration between giants continues to shape the AI landscape. S&P Global and Google Cloud announced a multi-year partnership to unify data distribution and expand AI capabilities across enterprises. This alliance aims to streamline access to AI tools and data, setting a new standard for integrated cloud and AI solutions in business.